Welcome. This is a place to learn English through stories and real conversations.
You improve listening and speaking and learn about life, culture, and simple ideas at the same time.
More practice, more confidence, and more fun with every story.
Christmas arrived fast this year. Too fast. Emma noticed it when her office added a plastic tree near the coffee machine. It blinked too much. It made noise. Emma sighed. At work, everyone talked about plans. Trips. Family dinners. Big meals. Emma had one plan. Sleep. She worked a lot this year. Too many emails. Too many meetings. Too many urgent messages. By December, Emma felt tired. Not just tired in the body. Tired in the head. On her way home, she passed many shops. Bright lights. Loud music. People buying many things. Emma carried one small bag. Inside was a scarf. It was for herself. Why not? She said. At home, Emma kicked off her shoes. She opened the fridge. Half a lemon. One egg. Old cheese. Perfect Christmas dinner, she joked. She poured a glass of wine and sat on the sofa. The tree in the corner looked lonely. It leaned a little to the left. Emma looked at her phone. No new messages. She felt something heavy in her chest. This should be happy, she said. But it feels loud and empty. The next day, Emma met her neighbor, Mrs. Green, in the hallway. Mrs. Green held many bags. Emma, she said. Can you help me tomorrow? Emma wanted to say no. She wanted quiet. She wanted pajamas. But she said, okay. The next morning, Emma went to the community center. Coffee helped. A little. Inside, people moved fast. Someone spilled soup. Someone laughed too loudly. Mrs. Green gave Emma a box of decorations. Make this place look happy, she said. Emma hung lights. Some fell. Some stayed. A man nearby said, these lights are like my life. Messy, but still shining, Emma laughed. A real laugh. She helped serve food. One woman said, best soup of my year. Emma thought, really? This soup? A man dropped a cookie. A child tried to eat it anyway. 5-second rule, the man said. Emma shook her head and smiled. After a few hours, Emma felt different. Not excited. Not perfect. Just lighter. Later that night, Emma cooked pasta. Real food. She opened another bottle of wine. She sent a message to her brother. Just one line. Thinking of you. He replied, me too. On Christmas Eve, Emma met friends for coffee. They talked about work. Bad bosses. Funny mistakes. They laughed a lot. Someone said, this year was crazy. Everyone nodded. That night, Emma walked home slowly. The lights felt softer now. Less noisy. On Christmas morning, Emma woke up late. She wore warm socks. She made good coffee. She looked at her small tree. It still leaned. But she smiled. Emma understood something new. Happiness was not loud. It was not perfect. It was small. Messy. Shared. A laugh. A warm drink. Helping someone. Christmas did not fix her life. But it softened it. Emma raised her coffee and said, not perfect. But good. And this Christmas, that was enough.